Internet Freak Show.
Alright, in this week's episode, I'm showing off my editing skills in a new segment called My Favorite Movie Scenes with Cats!
Sorry about that.
All right, Meow. Hand over your license and registration. Your registration? Hurry up, Meow.
Sorry.
Is there something funny here, boy?
No.
Well, then why are you laughing, Mr. Larry Johnson? All right, Meow, where were we?
I'm sorry. Are you saying meow?
Am I saying meow?
I thought...
Don't think, boy. Meow, do you know how fast you were going? Meow, what is so damn funny?
I could have sworn you said meow.
Do I look like a cat to you, boy? Am I jumping around all nimbly-bimbly from tree to tree?
No.
Am I drinking milk from a saucer?
No.
Well, do you see me eating mice? Hey, you stop laughing right now.
Yes.
Now, I'm going to have to give you a ticket on this.
But...
No buts, Meow. That's the law. Not so funny, Meow, is it? Meow.
Related link.
Bikini girl in a CPAP mask.
Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Please visit my website, petelee.net. Follow me on Twitter, @PeteLeeTweets. If you like this episode of the show, which I know you do, please click the little thumbs up button right there and...
Subscribe to this shit! Subscribe to this shit! Subscribe to this shit! Pete Lee.